flummoxed.
There's a lot going on here. Wow, it's a lot of potato. It's big, chunky. It's like a lot of potato. It's some real potato action going on here. I mean, they're supposed to be scalloped potatoes, right? But they look like regular potatoes.
I'm already sad. I don't see bacon. I see bacon. I don't see bacon. It's bacon.
Yeah, this tastes like potato dipped in cheese, like nachos, but with potatoes.
I mean, if you're gonna have wedges, then you better have some bold flavors because your big bite is gonna be a potato.
I mean, I don't even know, is this cheese? They seem like regular potatoes to me. I feel like I just cut some potatoes up and just dip them in cheese. I'm gonna put this down.
And I felt like they were making potato wedges, and then they're like, oh, I forgot something. Let's just throw cheese on it.
Numero dos. Okay, well, there's bacon in this one, so I already like it.
This guy's got bacon already, so it is on the mushy side.
Now this one, I see some ham. I love ham. I like meat, so I think I like this one better already, if that's a bias. Number two. Oh, bacon! Oh my god, I love bacon. Okay, I'm excited.
Oh, yum. This is immediate yumminess.
Lots of flavor and super creamy. I just want to keep on eating it, honestly. It's melting in my mouth.
This is exactly what I would have at Christmas, at Thanksgiving, for breakfast, for a hangover. I definitely pick number two. It's complete. You need nothing with it. The flavors are all over the place. It's like a potato fireworks. This, you need like ketchup, probably salt and pepper, a friend to help you finish it.
Number two, yeah. Number two is better. Number two is the winner.
I think Chrissy, she had a baby. She knows how to take care of that baby and knows warmth and comfort. And I think that's what Chrissy Teigen brought to the table.